Welcome back to our channel once again. AI Champ. What are we going to see today? For loops and while loops in Python. Let's see. Remember, this channel, our goal is to become AI engineers within 7 months. 7 months. Now, lesson 5. Lesson 5, for and while loops. Let's see. Let's open our Jupyter. All right. Jupyter Lab. Enter. It's opening. Boom. Here we go. We're going to open a new one. Notebook, Python 3, and rename our file. Let's make it loops. Right. Let's see. For and while loops. What are loops in Python? First of all, these are very powerful tools that will tell us when and how to repeat a code, how many times we're going to repeat a code without writing a code again. Let's say you have a block of code. You can repeat 2, 3 times, 4 times the same code without writing the code over and over again. Let's see. Let's say, for example, for I in range of 5, then what? Then print hello. Print hello is a string, remember? I. Here we print I. Print hello I. So how many times do you think is going to print hello? Of course, it's going to print hello 5 times. Let's check. Starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because remember, the counting starts from index 0, which is the first one. So index 0, you have first element, index 1, second element, index 2, third element, index 3, fourth element, index 4, fifth element. This is how you tell Python, I want to print the word hello 5 times. See, you have a range 5, print hello 5 times. Now, here, range, we have range 5, numbered from 0 to 4, and I always starts from 0, ends at 4. Let's take a real example. Let's take, for example, fruits. Here you have list of fruits. Let's say, for example, we have apple. Remember, the list is going to be a string, apple. Then you have banana. Then you have cherry. Remember always to make it a string. Now, for the fruit, let's use a for loop. For fruit in fruits. If this fruit is in fruits, then what? Print fruit. Print fruit. Let's see. Print fruit. So, how many is going to print? Is going to print all of them, or is printing only one? You guess. Is going to print for loops, also a perfect for lists. Python prints each fruit in the list right now. So that means it's going to print them all. Let's see. Run it. As you can see, Python is printing every fruit in the list. Right. Now, let's see. This was for loop. That was for loop. For loop. So, as usual, because we forgot to put it up at the top, you can put the top like this. Now, let's see while loop. While loop. So, while loop always starts counting. Let's see. While loop runs as long as the condition is true. In this case, the loop keeps continuing until the count reaches 5. So, let's say, for example, in this case, if we want to use our while loop, we say while true, print, this will never stop. Let's say, for example, string, this will never stop. Is it the case? If you print, let's see, syntax error, what's going on? Invalid syntax. You see? While. This is while. Let's run again. Print. This won't stop. It's written identity. Indentation. So let me see. Yeah, that's right. That's why you have to care about the indentation as well. So its indentation was expected. So now run. So it will run non-stop. It's not going to stop. You see? It will run forever. Let's stop it. So how do you stop it? So this you can stop by force. Let's run. Yeah, that's how you can stop it, one of the ways. Otherwise, it will run forever. So now, here, you can see using a while loop, you have to define when it is to stop. So this is a big winner. If your condition never becomes false, your loop could run forever. Always make sure something changes inside the loop. Let's see. Remember, we've seen that while true, this will print, this will never end. It will go on forever and ever. So how do you stop this? Either you can put false here. If you put false, run, it's not going to run. It's going to stop, right? So, but let's say it's true and you want to stop it. What do? And the end result has to be the loop stopped. How do we do that? Of course, we have to set up some conditions here. Let's say response equal input. We are going to input something. What do we input? Of course, we input a string here saying where we're going to type in our question or answer, exit. So type exit to stop. Type exit to stop. So as soon as you type in exit, it will stop. But there should be a condition. So if response equal exit, so that's on one condition. If what you're gonna type in is exit, then print the loop stopped. Right there, you can put a break. And if else, here, remember we need indentation. Indentation here needs. Then we start our else statement here. Else what? Print. You need to print. You typed your response. The other response you're gonna type in. The string is where you typed the response. Let's see. So once we run this, it's going to run. What is expected here? Print expected on exit. If response equal exit. Response equal exit. That's the intention we need here. Dash mark, colon. Let's run again. Yeah, now it's running. So now here, if we put exit, boom, Roop will stop right away. But let's run it again. Type in, let's say, let's go. Boom. So type exit to stop. No, let's go. And here it's still going. Let's go. You see, it's still going, but exit, exit, boom. The rope has stopped. That's how you stop a while loop. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. We are going to see how we deal with password authentication using while loop. This is just the beginning. It will only get better and better, guaranteed. Lesson 5, for loop, while loop, and now we are going to see password authentication in Python using while loop. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next one.